Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette. And in this video, this is actually going to be part of a series of workshops that my sister Tammy Pally of Peacecraft Dolls and I are putting together as a Virtual Blythe Retreat Taster. So this is the first taster that we've done, and it's kind of fashioned after our Virtual Blythe Retreat that we host each year. During the Virtual Blythe Retreat, which is usually in June, we have lots of fun things planned. We do games, we have prizes, we have workshops, and we have a lot of fun turning our dolls into whatever that theme is. And then everyone posts pictures of their dolls during the process and of course when they're finished. And everybody enjoys getting to know each other, and we have a lot of conversation back and forth on the group. So for the month of September 2024, our taster theme is grunge. And it's going to go through the whole month of September. And it's free. All you have to do is join our Facebook group called Blythe Doll Buddies, and I'll leave a link to that down in the description box below. In that group, you'll also find any patterns and a supply list that you need. Of course, you'll be able to join in the fun and show off your grunge doll and see what everybody else came up with their dolls. I hope you join us over on Blythe Doll Buddies Facebook. Also, go check out my sister's YouTube channel called Peacecraft Dolls for more information on the Virtual Blythe Retreat and the Virtual Blythe Retreat Taster. I'll leave a link to her channel down in the description box below. All right, let's go create some grunge jewelry. By the way, the techniques that I use to create my jewelry for the dolls are the same techniques that you would use to create jewelry for you. So whether you're a doll collector or you just like making jewelry for you or other people, this video is for you. All right, so I actually have some kits in my Etsy shop if you're interested in making any of this jewelry. This kit, I'll leave a link to it down in the description box below. And of course, this is while supplies last. And in this kit, there is enough for you to make a pair of earrings, a couple of necklaces, and a little pull charm that will go on her cord here. And that pull charm is just a simple zipper pull. So if you didn't want to hang it on her pull charm, you could put it on a journal or a bag or whatever. The only thing this kit does not include is chain and 20 gauge wire. And I believe the chain, you need about a foot in order to do all of the different projects that this kit will allow you to do. Today, though, I'm going to show you how to make the earrings. So I'm going to open up the kit. And the earrings, they're mismatched. So we need a moon and a star. Of course, we need the ear wires. And we need the eye pins. This is an eye pin. A head pin is something that kind of looks like a nail. That would be flat. And you could actually use a head pin. You would just have to make 2 loops. We are only going to need to make 1 loop. You're also going to need some beads and some crystals. I'm using a couple of crystals on each side of the beads, so there's 4 crystals that we're going to need. And the beads in the kit, I'm going to try to match the beads. Like these 2 look like they match. These are for something else we're going to do, so I want to make sure they go back in here along with all the other components. Let me get this cleaned up and then I'll show you what tools we need. So the tools you're going to need is, you can either use needle nose or flat nose pliers, just something to be able to grab. You're going to need some wire cutters, and you're going to need some round nose pliers. This will help you make your loops very nicely. Now, if you don't have round nose pliers, you can use these, but just let it be known your loops aren't going to be really pretty and round, okay? So these are really nice to have. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your head or your eye pin, and you're going to put your beads on. Like so. Okay. Then you're going to take your pliers, the flat ones, and you are going to make a bend like so. Okay. And then you're going to take your wire cutters and you're going to trim it off. You want to hold on to that, otherwise this will fly across the room. And this is probably big enough for me to use on another project, so I'm going to keep that in my stash of used wire and I will recycle that into another piece. Okay, so now you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to make a fairly large loop. Now, you could make a small loop if you wanted to, and in my opinion, you would need a jump ring, but I'm making a pretty big loop here, and then I'm going to open it back up, and then you can either put the star or the moon in there, it doesn't matter. And then close it up. Now, if you didn't get the kit, you can, use your own charms or whatever. If it's grunge style, hearts, crosses, daggers, and actually on the Blythe Doll Buddies page or group, I'm going to put some different articles about what is grunge style, and some of those articles will touch on things that they like to wear for jewelry. But anyway, there's one made. Now, in the kit, most of the kits, some of the kits may not have these type of ear wires. This one does. It's very easy. Okay. So if it doesn't fit like this, you're going to put it on this way. And then you just squeeze that. I was just checking to make sure that the moon was facing in the correct direction. Yeah, if you have an ear wire like this, the way you would hang it is you want to open up, let's see, zoom in a little bit. You want to open up your ear wire like that to an angle, and then you put your earring on it, and then you close it up, okay? So that's the only difference between these two types of ear wires. All right, I have them all done. Got a little bit of bling there, and we're using one of the traditional colors of grunge, which is gray or black. This is kind of I guess it could be a dark gray, and silver, and I've got a little bling. I always like to add some bling. And let's see, let's put these on this little girl here. And the thing is with these, if you want to wear them, you can wear them too. They're not just for your doll. I am sure she will let you borrow them. Anyway, there are our grunge earrings. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and stay tuned for some other grunge jewelry videos. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. It's Terry Jeanette signing out for now. Bye-bye.